Love, I have to head out. Don't forget, those desserts are for tonight.
The boy sat and stared. He knew he'd messed up. The treats his mum made, he'd eaten all up. The trays are all empty, but the mission was clear. The boy needed to replace all the Christmas cheer. He dashed through the aisles and grabbed the supplies, gathered the ingredients for treats of all size. He grabbed Mum's recipes, pulled them in tight, and he mixed and he mashed to bake them just right. He stared at the baking, each one perfectly neat. Joy filled his heart, his task now complete. Would the boy's baking pass the true test? One in particular was said to be best.
These butter tarts are amazing.
His mother then realized what he had done.
I didn't make butter tarts.
But she wasn't upset. She was proud of her son. The treats were all shared, the house filled with cheer, but the boy learned that sharing brings happiness near.